Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, April 28th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Hope you all had a lovely weekend. So, we had an outside week up last week in all three of our indices. It's pretty bullish. We'll see if they're able to carry that forward. The monthlies, although they're down, have very impressive candles with 3 days to go left in this month. The daily is up for now, so the bulls have definitely made progress. We'll see if they continue. There's three different things going on here coming into today for all three of our indices. Number one, righty has a double inside day, so they're at best up to balance. They are one time framing up 4 days, but they're up to balance for now. We'll see how they come out of these inside days. NQ has a huge price vacuum above Friday's high to April 2nd's monthly high. Okay? Which is, the overnight is the high for the month, by the way, on April 3rd. But again, there's a vacuum above them, above Friday's high. ES, quite different. There's a large gap above Friday's high. So even though the dailies, right, are all pretty similar, as far as being up, although a righty you can call up to balance, there's different challenges for all three of us, okay? Right now, we've been trading near Friday's upper range. So, again, early game plan. Well, again, is 75, 80 minutes to go prior to the opening. But the overnight highs, if they're here, can you front run them? Sure you can. I'm not so sure how much the Bears will defend Friday's high. Probably not a lot. But, again, we have a habit of front running. Now, the overnight right now is short. 90-somewhat% short. Okay, but for my money's worth, again, that's just some week-long. Half of it is probably week-longs getting out as opposed to real, true short selling. So, again, though, we'll see if it remains that way at 9:30, if the market's short this much, number one. Number two, we'll see if a front-running opportunity comes up against the overnight highs. If we get the overnight highs, then on pullbacks, I would look for longs. Okay? Again, this gap will not be filled in ES without a trend day. Okay? It's just under $6. That gap will not be filled without a trend day up. Okay? Now, NQ, like I said, is quite different as they have a price vacuum above them. Be in this trading room, and you'll be getting all this live webinar every day as the profile's being live streamed. Here's our charts. It's an impressive monthly candle right now, even though it's down, right? Off those lows tremendously, right? We are off SPY's low by $62. That's impressive. All right, with 3 days to go. We'll see if it holds. The weekly is balanced. It's an outside week up. Now, I will not call the weekly up if we take out last week's high. I am definitely waiting. I mean, you can. Again, this is where it's subjective. It's an art, not a science. Some people will call it up. I still believe this weekly high from March 31st is important. Now, true, it's $17 higher. But again, it's not like I wouldn't look for longs because I'm still calling it balance, but I truly believe that high is the real important one. All right? And on the daily, we are up with the gap in ES and SPY being our main focus. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.